Imagine a world where vibrant colors could be injected into your skin, transforming your appearance in an instant. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Vivid is a real-life company that's making this a reality. But before you rush to book an appointment, let's dive into the question, just how safe is Vivid? Have you ever wondered what it would be like to change your eye color on a whim? Or perhaps you've dreamed of having a tattoo that's as vibrant as a sunset. Vivid claims to offer these transformations, but is it worth the risk? What is Vivid? Vivid is a company that specializes in cosmetic tattooing. Unlike traditional tattoos, Vivid's procedures involve injecting pigments beneath the skin's surface, resulting in long-lasting color. What procedures does Vivid offer? From eye color changes to lip blushing and eyebrow microblading, Vivid offers a wide range of cosmetic procedures. How long do the results last? Vivid claims that their procedures can last for years, even decades. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, safety. While cosmetic tattooing has become increasingly popular, it's not without its risks. Infection. One of the biggest concerns is infection. Improper sterilization techniques or contaminated equipment can lead to serious infections. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to the pigments used in cosmetic tattooing. This can result in skin irritation, swelling, or even scarring. Long-term effects. The long-term effects of cosmetic tattooing are still not fully understood. There is a possibility that the pigments may migrate or fade over time. Removal. If you're unhappy with the results of your cosmetic tattoo, removal can be difficult and expensive. To get a better understanding of the risks involved, let's hear from some experts in the field. We've reached out to dermatologists and cosmetic surgeons who have experience with cosmetic tattooing. Dermatologist. While cosmetic tattooing can be a great way to enhance your appearance, it's important to do your research and choose a reputable practitioner. Cosmetic surgeon. I recommend that people considering cosmetic tattooing weigh the benefits against the potential risks. It's also important to discuss any concerns with your doctor. So, is Vivid safe? The answer is, it depends. While there are risks associated with cosmetic tattooing, the level of risk can vary depending on the practitioner, the procedure, and the individual's health. If you're considering a cosmetic tattoo, it's important to do your research, choose a reputable practitioner, and be aware of the potential risks. Research. Look for practitioners with experience and certifications. Consult a doctor, discuss your concerns and medical history. Weigh the risks and benefits, decide if the potential benefits outweigh the risks. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, your beauty is unique. Choose wisely.